Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony brand TV projector and you need to flip the image because whether you have it set up upside down or right side up or however you have your projector mounted, you might need to flip the image around to make it show properly. So we can do this straight from the menu here. It's pretty simple. What we're going to do is from our controller, we're going to hit the menu button and then you'll see it'll open this menu, the set of menus, and plus we can go into the menu by clicking to the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down to the wrench. So hitting the down button, down, 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 down. And then you can see this top one, image flip. So we'll scroll over to the right to get to that. Open it. And then you can just scroll down through the different options. And you can see it will flip them over or flip it side to side, whichever you want. This one, it needs to be flipped because the projector's hanging upside down. So, and then once you're done, once you've got it the way you want it, hit the menu button and you're done. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.